friends, I have got this SX8 3-in-1 multifunction wireless microphone, and today I am going to show you the sound test, how is the microphone quality and what are the features do the microphone have. First of all, you can see this is the one box, and very nice box has been provided from the company, and this is the Chinese microphone. And you can find out here this feature that is plug and play, 30 meters of accessible receptions, 1 hour charging time, battery timing 12 to 14 hours. Here it's given, and you can find out here some features of microphone: 15 ms ultra slow latency, smart noise cancellation, long working time, sound and picture synchronizations, 360-degree omnidirectional microphone, clear to pick up, tiny and portable, KTV reverb and real-time monitoring. This microphone is very useful for live show, vlog and short video, interview, and if you are a content creator on YouTube. And this is also very useful microphone. Now let's unboxing the microphone. Let's unbox like this. You can find out here single hand how to unbox. I think I have to buy the mobile holder from the market also. Yes, this is our microphone, and you can find out here this is the adapter. This is the receiver. You can use a mobile phone or laptop also. Let's pick it here. Then you can find out here two microphone like this, and this also you can find out the beat quality is very nice. And this is the charging port for the microphone, and this is for sound output. For the 3.5 mm jack to output the sound. And you can find out here this is the power button, and this is for the voice, and this is for the voiceless. These are the features. And you can downside, you can find out here this box, and under here you can find out this charging cable, and you can find out two Type-C, and here the USB. And after I have bought this two gadgets from the market. This is the USB Type-C female to the USB. This is the converter. We have to plug the receiver Type-C here, and you will plug it on the PC and be able to record a sound on laptop also. I will give you how to connect on the laptop step by steps. Guys, well, now the time to check how is the sound. First of all, I'm going to here put it aside, and this is the receiver. Let's plug in, and you have to perform one setting here. Go to mobile screen. Here you have to go to the setting, source setting, then go to the setting option, then you go to search and type OTG. Search the OTG and click the OTG option. Then after, enable the OTG. Then after, plug the receiver on your mobile phone, and light would blink on. Then after, you have to turn on your microphone by pressing the power button from the right side. Press about 3 seconds. Hold the power button 3 seconds to turn on the mic. It has been turned on, and press one click to switch the normal mode. This is the normal mode. This is for the normal mode. This is noise cancellation mode, and this is the studio mode, okay, for the reverb sound. Now let's take sound from this normal mode. I'm going to use another microphone here. Let's turn it on by pressing the power button. And this is the normal mode. One is here, another is here. On my mouth. Hello, mic test 1 2 3. How is the sound? Okay guys, this is for the sound test. Now let's turn to the noise cancellation mode. Just press one time on the microphone. Press one time. Hello, sound test 1 2 3. This is for the noise cancellation mode. Okay. This is for the studio mode, and you can hear the reverb sound, I think. Okay. These are the 3 cool features of this microphone. I have turned to the normal mode, and you can find out the sound testing more. Okay. This is the normal mode where I'm speaking now. Now let's check the noise cancel mode by turning on music on my laptop. Okay, just wait. This is the what exactly noise cancellation does in a PC or mobile phone to cut off the background noise. If you are going to connect this wireless mic on a PC, then you will need these gadgets. Okay, this is the gadgets I have ordered from my local market. This is Type-C female to the USB. We have to plug in that USB-C of the adapter here and connect the USB on the PC. Okay, this is one of the very nice cool gadgets. Okay, now let's connect on PC and test the sound. I have connected this adapter to the C female and plug in on the USB port, and again find out the light is blinking. Now let's turn on the microphone from the by pressing 3 seconds power button. Yes, it has been turned on and connected successfully. Select this microphone USB audio 1.0. Click OK. Now this is the sound you are hearing from my laptop. Overall, I want to say that this is one of the very nice microphone given from the China. Okay, thanks a lot for the China team to provide such a microphone in a very cheap price, about 1500 NPR. Okay, and this is the very mind-blowing microphone, and it is for the beginner who wants to create content like me and create video on YouTube, or wants to go on the live or make short vlogs. And this microphone is very suitable for those people. Okay, if I want to suggest you, then I recommend you to buy and use this microphone if you are beginner level to create a blog, YouTube channel like this, and this is very suitable for you for beginner level. Okay guys, if you like this review, then comment below and support me by subscribing, sharing and commenting. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.